Do you need space? Always. If you are always in search of extra space like I am, this video is for you. Here I'm going to show you how I use 2-liter bottles, recycle them, to make these containers. And if there is enough interest, I will show you how to make the shelving also. Here I am just measuring the bottle to cut it the right height. Just a little bit more than I need. This part I made specially to help me cut every container the same size. This is a screw with a sharp point that will mark the container for me. Here you can see clearly the carved line that I just made. Now I use scissors just to cut on the line. Now we just repeat it with the other two bottles. We are going round and around. More than enough space for all of your small parts. Works well with just one hand. Just be careful not to pull it too far. This has helped me organize my things for over 8 years. If there is enough interest, I will share a video of how I made the shelving. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Remember to subscribe and follow me.